Do you remember the first time we made Bánh Chưng together?
Of course! I had no idea how to fold the leaves properly.
My mom joked, "That cake is too wobbly for a lucky New Year."
I was so embarrassed. Now it's such a sweet memory.
Making Bánh Chưng always feels like wrapping up the whole past year.
Every leaf, every string, it's full of care and tradition.
I love this feeling, sitting by the fire, side by side.
Tet has this magic. No matter what, people come home.
It's not just rest, it's remembering where we belong.
The ancestor altar, the offerings, pickled onions, all sacred.
Even the red couplets and flowers, everything holds meaning.
My favorite part is the morning of the first day.
Kids all dressed up, lining up for red envelopes.
They look so excited. Red envelopes aren't about money, they're full of blessings.
They carry wishes for health, joy, and peace.
I want our kids to grow up with all these traditions.
They should know Tet is more than food and fireworks.
It's about our roots, our stories, our culture.
Even this boiling pot of Bánh Chưng holds memories. Time slows down, and we remember what really matters.
Thank you for keeping this peaceful Tet moment with me.
Tet wouldn't feel whole without you.
I hope we always have nights like this.
With a red-hot fire, Bánh Chưng boiling, and laughter rising.
The world feels quiet, and all I hear is peace.
Tet isn't about noise, it's about connection.
About family, memories, and timeless stories.
I wouldn't trade this moment for any fireworks.
Happy New Year! Let's carry Tet in our hearts, always.